traditionally, old school business guys, we had to build out standard operating procedures, SOPs, and KnowHow allows you to make those quicker and transmit that information to your whole organization. KnowHow is the difference because this replaces the traditional 200, 300 page operations manual. And I can bounce around much easier than I can even on a company wiki. Search terms are easy, it's very intuitive. And I'm a big fan of checklists and process, and it's all there. And if I forget something because I'm drinking out of the company fire hose, I can go back. And so KnowHow is a really good, it's a crutch for me right now, but I'm glad it's there. They're the training wheels. I mean, good business fundamentals, training is an integral part of that, and getting up to speed and being comfortable in your job. And I think KnowHow really helps everybody do that, from, upper level executive to the guys right on the ground. There's something for everybody, and it's scalable. And it doesn't matter if you have a really complex software-based, job, or you have something that's more mechanical and blue collar in nature, like we're dealing with. There's value in every sector for KnowHow.